I'm so happy that we have the next 3 months off together, Bob. So much time to get into mischief.
Mischief is fun and bad.
I know we've been through a lot since last Halloween with Dad, but this summer is a new chance for a new chapter, a fresh start. And I know nothing bad will happen to us at camp.
Hiya! Welcome to Camp Birdfeather. Hope you're all ready for an exciting summer. I'm your camp counselor, Kurt. I'll be here to guide you kiddos during your stay here at camp. I promise to help you get a couple more feathers in your wings before the end of summer. How's that sound?
Okay.
This is my little sister Molly. We are so excited to be here. Our mom and dad came here every summer when they were kids.
Yeah, they even wore the bird feathers got in their hat one year. Camp is so cool.
Oh, whoa!
Hey, can you be my friend? Because my mom and dad forced me to come to this camp so I can finally make a friend.
Sure. I guess we can all bug together. Let's go shout out camp and then we can get ready to roast marshmallows and tell scary stories by the campfire.
Did I hear one of you dweebs say something about scary stories? I could tell you some scary stories about this place.
Who are you?
I'm Kenny. Who the hell are you?
Rude. Can we just skip scary stories? Because I don't want to be afraid for at camp.
Just wait, nerds. I'll be making you guys wet your sleeping bag by the time I'm done with you.
Hey, look at you guys all friendly and bonding, getting to know each other. Reminds me of my first summer here at camp. All right, kiddos. Well, follow me. I'm going to show you to your home for the next 6 weeks. All right? Sled it this way. This way, kids. Got the girls line over here. Boys cabin up that way. Pick up, kids. Oh, hey! Look who it is! The man of the hour, Ronnie! Hey, Ronnie, hold it up! You guys gotta meet him. He's the legend of Camp Birdfeather. Come on, kids. Hey, Ron, hold up! Guys, I want you to meet the legend himself, Ronnie Ronaldson, the oldest Birdfeather.
Hi, kids. Welcome to Camp Birdfeather. If this is your first time, just so you know, we have a tremendous record of safety and fun. Nothing happens here, like, ever. So please keep in mind to have a good time and a wild adventure. But first things, I'm so tired. I need a nap. I'm gonna go lay down. Do not bother me. I will be annoyed. All right, kids.
Take it easy, Ron.
Jeez, this guy seems lazy. We should prank him and teach him a lesson.
Sorry, Bob. Yeah, we have a zero tolerance prank policy here. If anyone's caught pranking anyone on my watch, you'll be expelled from Birdfeather and never allowed to return.
Wonder why I'm still here.
Wonder why you're still not a counselor.
Well, me and my brother Bob have been through a lot in this last year. We just want a fun summer to forget all our pain, so please don't prank us.
Yeah, you heard what Counselor Kirk said. Don't even come near me on my sister girls. I'll tell my mom, and she still touches Johnny all the time. He definitely will kick you out of Camp Birdfeather.
Yeah, leave us alone.
I don't need to do anything to you dorks. The camp will do it all by itself. There's evil spirits lurking through the camp. It makes you feel things, hear things, and even see things. In the trees, the bushes, and birds.
Oh God, I knew I'm gonna die here.
Shut up, you're so full of crap, Kenny. Nothing bad has ever happened here, or else my mom would have told us.
So what do you think, Ronnie? Should we set these kids up for a fun night of entertainment or what?
Whatever, man. I don't care. I'm tired.
Well,
What I made you counselor for? So you can run the camp and I can relax.
you're right. That's what I'm here for, pal. You enjoy this afternoon. I'll be back.
You and your sisters or any of these kids can handle the truth of this place. I've been here for 3 summers, and each year it's been getting weirder and weirder. If you don't believe me, you'll see for yourself.
Guys, I think I need to tell you the truth about me and Bob. Last Halloween, my dad got attacked by a bird and then started attacking people.
Alright, enough. I can't get any more of this.
Yeah, I'm getting freaked out. Maybe we should find Counselor Kurt and play a game of catch for the flag.
Hello? My little feathers out there. Ready for a game of capture the flag? Guys? Stop. Kenny, if that's you, I swear you're on the first bus out of here tonight. Oh, jeez! That's a lot of feathers!
Counselor Kurt, where are you?
Mom, I want to play a game or something.
I want to go home. I forgot you're sleeping, Dad. Where are you?
Games right with no.
Counselor Kurt, come on. That's my dad. He's came back. We need to save Molly. What are we gonna do?
What are you guys whining about?
God dang it, he scared us. A freaking birdman thing just kidnapped Molly and we can't find Kirk anywhere.
He's called Dad Bird.
Oh, Kirk? He's probably with Ronnie, giving him a foot massage since he always sucks up to him, thinking he's gonna own the camp one day.
Feels so good to relax in the rain. Oh, hey, Molly. Kirk can help you with anything you need. How's your mom? Is she still hand modeling?
Please, bird dude. I gotta capture the army. You can have it. I got really good friends.
Alright, you guys, we need to find a safe place or a weapon or something. Last year, 2 of my cousins and my uncle were murdered by Dad Bird. And he already took your sister.
Holy shirt! Oh my god, I remember hearing that on the news. This is real. This is really real. We gotta get the hell out of here.
We are not going anywhere until we get Molly back.
I remember hearing stories last year from other campers. They said that crazy birds would go into the city and keep them until sundown on June 6th till 6 p.m.
Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Today is June 6th.
Okay, it sounds like it's time to get my sister back and kill this Dad Bird once and for all. Who's with me?
Me.
Me. I know this is your dad, but you have to promise me, if anything happens to me, that you will save Molly.
I stopped Dad before, and I would stop him again if I have to.
We will save Molly.
This is your father speaking. You will not stop my bird harvest in less than an hour. Her soul is mine. I will take the young child to the evil bird underworld. She's mine, mine. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh no, we gotta take her to the doctor. There's no hospital out here. Wake up. So you guys, I just came here to make friends, but I realized friends aren't worth it.
You heard what she said. We just need to get her back before 6 p.m. and kill Dad Bird, and then we can go back to having a nice summer vacation.
Ugh, fine, let's just go.
Dad?
Molly.
Bird? Where are you? Oh my God, Molly! Come out, Dad! We've got her, and we're taking her with us. Try and stop us!
Just please stop cutting. Let's just go. What do you want? We're taking her with us. What, Dad? See, I told you. Stop! You don't leave with this! I'm not! I'm done with this! You ruined my house, Summer! You ruined our house, Summer! No one likes you! You ruined our house, Summer! We did it. We killed him. We killed him. It's all the day's week, buddy. Molly! Molly! Molly!
What happened? Where's Millie at?
It's a really long story. So first you got taken away.